How to fix Redmi Note 13 while hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then click on portable hotspot. Now turn it on or off. After turning on your hotspot, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and then click on apps. And then click on manage apps. On top right corner, you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now here you can reset your app preferences. Now click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back and check your software updates. Now click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.